Hey guys, we're going to stop and slow down just a bit and talk about some tools that you'd be using if you were going to be wiring a car or making some type of electrical repair. What we're going to be talking about are soldering irons. Now there's several different types here. Let's start off with this one. This one is a butane powered, and it's very handy if you're going to be crawling in and out of a car because it doesn't have a cord on it. You don't have to worry about your feet getting all tangled up. This one here is probably the most popular. It's a soldering gun, not an iron. Now it's activated by pulling the trigger. It makes the tip, whenever you pull it, heat up, but one of the issues with it is it gets stupid hot and it may not be right for the application or the repair you're trying to make. Another thing with these guns, the tip is rather large, and if you're trying to make a repair in an intricate area, well, that may end up giving you some issues. Now this old school baby blue jewel here has an adjustable dial on it, which is pretty handy. And it's pretty simple. You got an on-off switch and an indicating light letting you know it's either warming up or ready to start working. Now this economically priced iron here is extremely simple. You basically plug it into the wall and it gets hot. As this one here, you may think it's the same thing, but technically this one's a wood burner. It does come with a tip, but it gets crazy hot too. Now you can have several different tip designs, kind of like this wedge and the pointy one here. You don't really want to start grinding on them or anything like that because you can damage the tip. Each one of these have their purpose. However, this one here, if you notice, it's a little bit wonky, but that's okay, we can fix it. Now all you need to do is take a file and kind of dress it up a little bit. Well, scratch that. Somebody's already got on this thing with a file too much. If you notice, you can see a copper core in it. You don't want to go that far. This one's junk. With the copper showing, that means the protective coating is long gone, and the copper is going to oxidize rather quickly, and you can run into heat transfer problems or contaminated joints. We're going to move over here to the adjustable one we showed you guys earlier. We've had it turned on so it can warm up, and we can give you a couple tips just in case you want to make a repair later. Before you get started, you want to clean the tip, and to do that, oftentimes people use a dampened sponge. Now you don't want too much water in here because whenever you dip it in there, well, you're going to cool the tip down too much. So to clean the tip, just simply drag it across a couple times and you'll be good to go. With the tip all cleaned up, we're ready to tin it. And if you're going to store that thing for a good amount of time, it's a good idea to do that. Now later down the road, we're going to dig a lot deeper in some of this electrical repair, but y'all going to have to wait for all that.